Good morning, guys. I have a small update to make. From now on I'm gonna be solo in Nala for the next 2 months or 3 because Conceicao flew to Switzerland to work and replenish our cruising budget. There is a possibility that I'm gonna fly to Switzerland after the hurricane season as well for a few months, so we can make enough money to continue our cruise and our plans. At the moment I'm solo. I haven't been solo in 2 years because I was with Conceicao, and the feeling is very strange because undoubtedly the boat feels more cluttered. I had to redo some lines and some preparations. Everything takes more time, so it's quite nice and challenging to be solo again, but strange in the meantime. I have issues taking up my anchor, so today it's gonna be a bit challenging, but there is no wind. The reason I have the issues is because my anchor locker is full. It has 2 chains right now, the old one and the new one. I need to see how I'm gonna squeeze everything in. And for today I have organized a small sail of 5 miles docking inside the bay in Fort-de-France just to go meet some friends, and it's really necessary to test my mast rake. It's something I needed to do like a long time ago, but because we were 2 people and somebody was always at the helm, I didn't bother. But now that I am solo, I really need to switch a bit the mast rake. I need to lean the mast a bit backwards to stabilize the boat better. So when I'm solo, I believe the autopilot is gonna work less. I'm gonna try to make videos as well, but because I'm solo it's gonna be quite difficult since I haven't figured out the angles of the camera yet or how to position it. So for now I'm gonna try with my tripod and see how it goes. If it doesn't work well, I'm gonna see, or I'm gonna have to find another solution. So I'm ready to go and a bit stressed, so let's see how it's gonna go.
I'm living right here and now, and I don't wanna miss out. Is this what life's all about? The world is calling and I'm listening. Yeah, I'm listening. I feel the freedom inside. Come on, let's go for a ride. I finally opened my eyes and I can see it so clearly. So clearly. Life is but and isn't it amazing? Oh, life can be amazing. Oh.
So just arrived on the anchorage. I was welcomed with a very huge squall that was lasted about 30 minutes. The anchorage looks amazing. I'm gonna do a switch so you can see. The wind today is from the west, northwest, something very weird for Caribbean, and this is why it's a bit swelly, but I believe that once the wind changes from the northeast, the swell is gonna be very minimal, or at least on the bows that the boat will move like this. It was a tiring day. I almost grounded Nala, trying to leave by sails from Saint Pierre, but I managed. And arriving here was quite challenging as well, because when I came there were day sailboats, so it was too messy. Now I'm gonna go on land because I don't know if you can see with the camera, but there is a freshwater stream, and I want to try to wash my clothes because I have accumulated like 1 or 2 weeks of dirty clothes, and maybe get fresh water to wash some other things on the boat. So it's time to go out.